Hello and welcome to the TaxTron tutorial video series. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a tax return for a deceased taxpayer. Let's review some important points before we start preparing the actual return. When a taxpayer passes away, a final tax return must be submitted for the taxpayer by their legal representative. On the final return, the taxpayer's income must be reported from January 1st up to and including the date of death. Any income after the date of death needs to be reported on a T3 trust income tax return. It is also important to note the due date of the return will vary based on the date of death. If the death occurred between January 1st and October 31st, the final tax return is due on April 30th of the following year. If the death occurred between November 1st and December 31st, the final tax return is then due 6 months after the date of death. Now let's see how we can prepare a tax return for a deceased taxpayer in our web application. I have already completed the basic preparation of the return, which includes the client's identification information. Let's go to Address section and scroll down to where it says, "Is this tax return for a deceased taxpayer?" and select Yes. You will then see a field appear that will ask you to enter date of death and enter the date at which the taxpayer passed away. You will also see a blue label appear that will ask you to confirm the SIN number of the taxpayer. Make sure the SIN number that you reported on identification page is correct. Now you are all set to continue with reporting deceased taxpayers' income slips.